Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Look at that huge storm cloud. Like, oh my gosh. Oh.
No, don't stand with an umbrella. It's like the worst thing you can do. Umbrella is a rod, and we know lightning is attracted to rods.
Exactly. Holy flippin' moly. That is the biggest storm cloud I've ever seen. The only times I've ever seen those types of storm clouds are with tornadoes. I said that excitement, but I'm not. Oh my goodness. Oh, did you see that lightning strike? Huh? Oh.
Hey, she's in the bathroom. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh. That is just unbelievable.